Nos yn dda a croesi Coleg Gwent. Welcome to Coleg Gwent. We provide training and qualifications in the following areas: beauty therapy, hairdressing and barbering, theatrical and media makeup, and complementary therapies. Our aim is to provide qualifications that will enable you to succeed in your chosen career and provide longevity and variety in these exciting fields of work. May I note that subtitles are available in Welsh. The moderators are available to answer your questions throughout this presentation this evening, so please use the Q&A section on your keyboard or mobile device. Your hosts this evening include presenters, myself, Deborah, representing complementary therapies, Mandy, representing hairdressing and barbering, and we have three expert moderators this evening to support this presentation, and they are Angela, representing beauty therapy, Tammy, representing hairdressing and barbering, and Paula, representing theatrical and media makeup. Please remember that these moderators are available the whole time throughout this presentation. Post your questions on the Q&A section. Our full-time courses include Agored Skills Challenges and GCSE Maths and English. We have part-time and adult courses also available. Within the beauty therapy sector, we offer qualifications at levels 1, 2 and 3. These are available as part-time and full-time provision and also include adult groupings. The courses include Level 1 Hair and Beauty, Level 2 Beauty Therapy and Level 3 Beauty Therapy. We also have Level 2 Beauty Therapy Adults Group and Level 3 Beauty Therapy Adults Group. The beauty therapy areas include facials, makeup, nails, waxing, eye treatments and massage. As previously noted in an earlier slide on this presentation, all full-time courses include additional subjects such as Maths and English, Agored Challenges and employability skills. These will enhance your knowledge base and equip you for the world of work. Here at Coleg Gwent, we are very proud to be participating in competition work and work experience schemes. We have celebrated success in achieving gold at World Skills competitions and in securing a high employment success rate. With our extensive range of qualifications and high standards of practice, you can look forward to careers in spas, salons and hotels. You can work as a mobile therapist or focus on promotional work in the beauty industry. You can even build upon your qualifications and progress onto complementary therapies with us or progress onto higher education. Moderating team, are there any questions, please?
Hi Deb, yes, we've got a few questions. The first question is, do I have to buy a kit and a uniform? The answer to that is yes. From today's information evening, if you put in an application, you'll receive an interview. At that interview, if you're suitable for the course and the course is suitable for you, you will be given all the forms that you'll need to start the course. Sorry, I'm getting a little confused this evening. So with the kits and uniforms, we give you all your own order forms that you need to purchase from the order forms given. The reason for this is we need to keep continuity with our students. The other question was, what assessment methods do we use? So we use both practical and multiple choice exams, and we have one level 3 assignment, which is included in the permanent LASH qualification. Thank you. Back to you, Deb.
Thank you very much, Angela. I'm now handing over to Mandy to discuss the hairdressing courses. Thank you, Mandy.
Thanks, Deb. Croeso, welcome to hairdressing this evening at Coleg Gwent. We have a fantastic salon here at Coleg Gwent, great facilities, and also an excellent teaching team within hairdressing. And the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through the range of courses we offer. So hairdressing or barbering are available to you, and there's a range of full-time and part-time courses available within both. Full-time programs you would start at level 1 hairdressing or level 1 hair and beauty therapy. The level 1 qualification gives you basic skills in shampooing, styling, hair up, etc. From that, you can progress then to level 2, either hairdressing or barbering. The level 2 program then will develop your technical skills such as cutting hair, colouring hair, and styling and dressing hair as well. Level 3 hairdressing then is a progression from level 2, and this is your opportunity to develop all your creative hairdressing skills. You'll get to work on creative colour techniques, creative cutting, also some show work and supervisory skills involved in this qualification. If we can move on, Deb, please. As Deb said earlier, competitions are a really important part of our learning process at Coleg Gwent, and we encourage competition work. There is an opportunity for all learners to get involved at all levels, and we feel that it's a good discipline to have, and it really gives you the sort of experience of working under pressure as well. Work experience is an expectation of the course, and this will give you the employability skills that you need to go into employment, which is of course the main aim of you doing a course here at Coleg Gwent. And moving on. So hairdressing is an exciting, ever-changing industry, and it offers a wide range of career paths. The career paths you might want to consider is working in a salon or a spa, maybe becoming a session stylist and doing editorials for magazines or London Fashion Week, TV or media. There's also teaching or training career paths you could go down, or freelance is another option. Like I said, there's a vast range of career paths open to you, and it is a great industry to be part of. Just wondering if there's any questions coming in, Tammy. Tammy, you're muted.
Sorry, that's why we go
Okay.
live. There's one question coming in about the barbering. They're asking, do we do a standalone barbering course, or is it part of the full-time hairdressing course?
Question. Hairdressing courses within Coleg Gwent all have an element of men's hairdressing in them. However, standalone barbering courses at level 2 and level 3 are on offer at Blaenau Gwent Learning Zone in Aberfeil, and level 2 barbering is on offer at Newport.
Okay, one more just came through now. Do we do adult courses in hairdressing as well? We do offer an adult course only at Cross Keys, and it's a children-friendly timetable, starting at 9:30 and finishing at 2:30. And there's no additional skills with that, so no maths, no English, and no agored. But for any more information about the courses, we will give some leaflets, not leaflets, sorry, some online links at the end. That's it. Thanks, Deb. Back to you.
Okay, can I just say, don't forget to keep sending your questions throughout the presentation. The moderators are there to answer. Thanks, Deb. Back to you.
Thank you, Mandy. Our theatrical and media makeup courses include Level 2 Diploma in Hair and Media Makeup, which focuses mainly on hairdressing, stage, theatre, fashion and photographic makeup, and includes special effects and wig making. The Level 3 Diploma in Theatrical and Media Makeup focuses mainly on hairdressing, television, film, fashion and photographic, airbrush makeup and special effects. There are part-time courses that run in the evenings, and these include Level 2 Award in Makeup and a Level 2 Award in Fashion and Photographic Makeup. You can also study at Level 4 and 5 in Specialist Makeup with a focus in advanced techniques for television and film, wig making, mask making, costume and prosthetics. All courses include work placement, and these provide amazing opportunities to work in theatres, on fashion shows, in events and with demonstrations. We have successful competition winners, including Karen Coates with a UK bronze in the World Skills competition, and previously we've had 2 UK silver medals for media makeup. Within this career field, you can progress onto higher education, work in television, become a specialist wig maker, set up your own business, and there are also retail opportunities too. Moderators, do we have any questions, please?
Hi Deb, we've had a few questions come in for theatrical. One is about the kit costs, and I'd like to say that Level 2 kit costs are approximately £750, but additional items will need to be purchased through the year, but you'll be instructed by your tutor as to what you need to buy. We also have Level 3 at £750 with the same additional items being needed to buy, but this will be for kits, hairdressing kits, makeup kits, uniform, makeup brushes and for trips, so it's quite good value. Also, someone would like to know about assessments. So assessment is theory is a combination of research assignments, mood boards and online tests, and practical assessments will be carried out in college and at work placement. So for some assessments you'll need to bring in a model, and others you can work on learners in your class, so your peers. Thanks, Deb.
Thank you very much, Paula. That was really informative. Here at Coleg Gwent, we offer a Level 3 Diploma in Complementary Therapies. This course covers the theory and the practical aspects of body massage, aromatherapy and reflexology. These practices take an holistic approach to health maintenance and well-being and are growing in popularity. We also offer a part-time evening course in Swedish massage and stone therapy massage. This course requires a recorded log of practice hours, and this is achieved through working both on-site in our clinic and off-site with clients. You will have 1 day a week assigned to work placement and gather evidence through case studies and critical reflection. There are a great variety of career opportunities in the field of complementary therapies. These include working in spas, on health farms or health retreats, working in palliative care with cancer care patients, working aboard cruise liners and travelling the world, setting up a private practice, working as part of an allied healthcare team with chiropractors and podiatrists, or progressing on to a Level 4 and Level 5 course with an HNC and HND in complementary healthcare. Hello moderators, do we have any questions please?
Yes, Mandy, one has popped up asking how many days a week?
I didn't get all of that question there, but I think you're asking how many days a week the course runs on. It's full-time, right. Yes, it's full-time. And this year we've been in college 4 days a week. But you will get your timetable after enrolment. We try to make it as user-friendly and as enjoyable and practical as possible. One of those days is a work placement day, and we usually have 3 days in college. But of course, this could change. Thank you. Any more questions?
Just one more. Do they have to have a kit and a uniform?
Pardon me. Yes, there is a kit and there is a uniform. That could be pasted into a moderator response at a later stage after this presentation. You will require a full uniform that is available through Coleg Went. You'll have an aromatherapy kit. You also are requested to join the FHT as a student member so that you're ensured when you work off site for your case study workload. And all of this is, as I've just said, is available as a response by the moderators later on. Thank you very much. Any more questions, anyone?
That's it. Thanks, Deb.
So, thank you very much indeed. Diolch yn fawr. This session has now ended. Please continue to post your questions and our moderators will attempt to answer them for you. Links will be posted in at the end of this session this evening, and our presentation will stay live, but we are now going to silence it. So thank you very much and we look forward to enrolling you. Bye-bye.